Today, we're looking at how you can raise awareness of your cause effectively on social media. This is the Scouts, and they launched their Poppy Appeal on Facebook. They've done this with an eye-catching photo, which is a nice flat lay, which is essentially when you take all of your key products and you put them on a nice background all together so that you can capture people's attention. And fashion brands do this really well, and they've done it really, really well for their Poppy Appeal. They've got a great message. So it's saying that the Scout store has launched the 2022 Poppy and Scouts collection, and they've tagged in the Royal British Legion as part of their partnership. They then put the link in to say where you can get your Poppy. You can get it there now. And then they've given all of the detail. They've been very clear, I guess, what they want people to do off the back of the post, which is aka go and get your Poppy. They've explained that 50% of the profits from the sale will be paid to the Royal British Legion Trading, and they've given the charity number, etc. So they've given all the detail that anybody would want to know when they're purchasing something that is charitable. So it's a great way to capture attention and get people to actually do a thing. And as you can see, they've had over 1,000 engagements, 64 comments, and 138 shares. Lots of people have gotten engaged with it, and lots of people have supported it as well. So if you have a particular cause or something that you want to raise some awareness of, doing an eye-catching image like this and then following it up with lots of detail and asking people to do a thing, aka to go on and purchase, including a link, is a great way to do it on Facebook. So if I was them, I'd want to make sure that all my content was planned in ahead so I could get engaged with the audiences. So I would go to maybe platform, go to engagement, and go to content calendar, and go to here, and then on here is all the content that's already planned in ahead. And then they can also go in and they can choose to go in and add a post here. So they click here, they can add a post across Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and start getting all their content planned in. They can then go in and compare their calendar to quite literally anyone else. So it might be another membership organization. So for the Scouts, it might be something else. It might be I don't know, the guides, Girl Guides, or something like that. And then they would put that in there, and they would then compare their content calendar to quite literally any business at all in any organization, and it would pop up underneath, so they could look at what's performing well for them, what they've got planned in for the month, and what or the week even, and what everybody else has got planned in. But they can also look at how other businesses have performed as well by looking at the previous week. So you can toggle between them, look at the previous week, and you can look at what you've got planned in for the month ahead, the week ahead as well. If you've got any questions whatsoever, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.